All right, I went ahead and locked down this boat layer. I'm going to create another layer. We're going to call it the sun. So now I'm going to use my ellipse tool. It's set to brown, and I don't want my sun to be brown. So what I want to do is I'm going to use this gradient panel here. I'm just going to go ahead and left click and drag. Okay, I'm going to say it's about right here, and obviously don't want a brown sun. So I'm going to change the type. Right now it's set to linear. I want it to be radial. I want to change this color, so I'm just going to double click on it. Now I have my option here where I can change this from grayscale, and I left click on the little hamburger stack and I could change it to CMYK, and I could use the slider bars here and adjust, you know, whatever color I want it to be to make an orange. Or I can go over here and I could use my swatches. Okay, so I click that, and because this is highlighted, it changes that color. So now if you want to edit your gradient a little bit more, there is the gradient tool right here. You get this little slider bar here, and I can actually hold the Alt key and grab, and I can turn, I'm holding the Alt key as I'm moving, I'm left clicking and dragging. So when I left click and drag, I can adjust how much of the gradient is on the inside of it. I can pull, holding the Alt key, make it go wider. All right, I think I want it a little bit more in. Okay, I want it to go a little bit more in. Okay, and then you can add other colors on the inside. I actually added when I pulled in from the center. I could add and adjust these colors too. But if I hold the Alt key on the end point, that's gonna adjust it there. And then if I, there we go. All right, and I prefer it to be further out, but I just Alt key, hold and drag. There we go. All right, so I've added my gradient for my sun.